Los Angeles, California, heads up. A life-threatening, destructive, widespread windstorm is expected Tuesday afternoon to Wednesday morning. So, as the real deal Holyfield, who used to be a boxer, if you didn't know that. Okay. Life-threatening and destructive windstorm across many parts of Simi Valley, Burbank, Pasadena, Glendora, Santa Monica, and just above Hollywood, Beverly Hills. This is serious and could cause fire situations, major wind situations, and just general WTF. And then heads up, possible total Texas and other states snowmageddon starting Thursday, lasting through Friday, where some people in DFW, possibly you, Dallas, could get up to a foot of snow. And that would definitely be real deal Holyfield weather weenie. Big time situation. But wait, there's still more. You could be getting a bomb clap nor'easter for the Northeast on Sunday, January 12th, with some snow, rain, heavy wind effects. All right. With anywhere between 0 and 60 inches of snow. And there was a magnitude 7.1 earthquake affecting Bangladesh, Nepal, India, Bhutan, and China near Tibet. Huh. All right. Recycling through the stories I just mentioned, Edgar McGregor, Southern California, is about to be blasted by one of its most powerful Santa Ana windstorms in recorded history. May not be number one, but it's still going to mess shit up. Probably. 93 mile per hour winds? That'll knock down some trampolines. Yeah, definitely looks like we're going to get a major Texas snow day Thursday and Friday. You know, could possibly go down as far as Austin. For ice and snow and stuff, we'll have to continue to watch it. Everything could change. Everything could bust. But at this point, I think the chances of a real snow day in Texas Thursday, Friday are totally legit. I mean, that's definitely quite a Texas situation where you're definitely getting some hazardous cold, freezing rain, heavy snow, and then right below, some heavy rain. No, I'm not going to forget you, Alaska. Heavy precipitation and heavy snow. So you got about 42 hours to get your whiskey, cigars, moon pies, and DiGiorno, or whatever you're going to eat during your 2 extra days off, possible work, possible school, possible whatever. Yeah. So we're tracking it. A major winter storm will impact North Texas Thursday into Friday. Snow accumulation is expected, which will result in crippling travel disruptions along the I-20 corridor. I'm also looking at you, I-30, including the DFW Metroplex. Be safe and be prepared. Definitely stay home. I would guess you don't have to. It's a free country still, although marijuana is still illegal. Texas is always like, we're huge on freedom. Anyway, what was I talking about? Don't want to get off here. But yeah, so right now, this is snow up into the Dallas-Fort Worth line, and then below down into Waco, it's supposed to get icy, but the whole mixing thing can change. But as Adam Lucio says, just the EPS showing 80% probabilities for 6 inches or more snow in DFW. No big deal. Boom. Sidebar. Sprites. Boom. Sidebar. Sprites. And it's definitely cold in DFW. Some would say even freezing. Bobby Storm flying on a steel bird, letting us know that Kansas is still covered and cloaked in snow. Now you know. And then there's the nor'easter for the people in the northeast. I watched The Town for the first time yesterday. It was decent. What was I talking about? Okay. But this could go out to sea and be a total bust. This could totally wallop New Jersey, New York, Maryland. And I'm just trying to press you with geographical names. Or it could be somewhere in between. This is 6 days away. So we'll pay attention to things in order. You got the windstorm, then the snowstorm, and then the nor'easter storm. All over the next 6 days. Exciting times we live in. Yes, real deal Holyfield, Governor Abbott, saying, hey, we're taking emergency measures because, 6 inches or more snow and sleet and stuff in Texas. Big deal. So, let's try and have some fun and enjoy life because 2025 is going to be crazy. All right. God bless everyone. I will talk to y'all in the near future because it's what I do. Later.